we're going to discuss. So if we understand that the price is accumulating energy towards a bigger move, all we now need to decide is how we're gonna take the move and which move we're going to take. So we basing on this part only and taking the history under consideration. When we're looking on this area, we understand that we are coming already from this point right here. We are on a demand area, okay? And we know that when we are in demand, we see the buyer's powers overcome the seller's powers, and we see a reversal right in this point. So in this point, we are either gonna long position and or do nothing. So those of you who have been trading from this point, even cap more money, because this is already a professional move. So if I'm gonna extend it from here and we see the position from here, we're already talking about a different position, risking a bit more, about $6,000 to create almost $60,000. So it's 1 to 10, which is beautiful ratio in swing trading. And basically spotting this area as a reversal point and getting to a long position. Now, after we're getting into long position, we're getting back into the demand there, which basically can flip and reverse. All we need to look now, if the price will break this area like it did right here and land back on the same area to re-enter a position. So it's not a mistrend. Basically, those of you who are not confident enough in the trade and did not get in this position, what you want to do, what you want to see, basically the continuation of the buyer power overcoming the seller, breach the supply area, land backs on the supply area, and only need to be done right now is take a long position. Now the question is, where the long position gonna hold towards? We understand that if the price will gonna go up, it's gonna go significantly up. Why is that? Because it's charged and accumulating energy in this area. So the breach that represented over here should be a long breach. As higher as the charge and accumulation and energy of this area, as higher the breach is gonna be. So there's no surprise that basically we see over here this area breaches all the way to the top and now make another correction. So we draw right here a trend line that's going to help us to maximize the position. Basically we extend the line from the lower point of the price and looking for the second time that the price reaches the basically touch the point, which is right here in this candle. I'm going to mark it right here in this candle. We'll see how the price touches this trade line again, and we extend the line vertically. And as long as we not crossing this line, we can continue our long position. In the minute and the second that the price breaches the line and give us a validation, we understand that now the trend is broke, and now we're getting into a short position. So there is a way to maximize all this towards again